welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita, and to show y'all something, I picked this up for $11.99 from the Container Store. I'm going to use this for my charms, I hope, because the thing that I have right now, if y'all remember, I showed y'all a couple months ago, but it's a little, yeah, it's a little full. So I think, and I'm hoping that this gadget works better. It's regular $29.99 and it's on sale for $11.99. If I'm able to, I'll attach it to my Shop My. You can click it and purchase it also. And yeah, and I did curbside pickup, so I like that. But something has come in the mail, and I didn't show y'all, but I did show my tickety talk. So the light citron twirly, y'all. Do y'all see that? I love it. It is a perfect pop of color. So now I have the light citron and the, what is this? The light denim, I think they called it. The maple. The bright red. I think this is called bright red. It's bright red, I think. And then the midnight navy. So I have all of those. Okay, I think that's a little better. Let me step back. Okay. How are y'all doing? Welcome back. No by June. It's so cute. It sound good. 2 bags in. It is June. What is the date? The 11th. 2 bags in. But. Only one counts. Because one of them, my anniversary is at the end of June. I told my husband while I was talking to Shonda Dazzle, House of Dazzle. If y'all don't follow House of Dazzle, what are you doing? Okay, going over there, y'all know what I'm talking about. But me and Shonda, we text all day long. Handbag sisterhood is real. And we were talking about a bag that I've been saying I want to get because I had the larger version and the smaller version of this item, but I have since sold, rehomed, or whatever they calling it in the handbag streets, because they weren't working for me, and at the moment they were. But on one of Shonda's recent videos, she went over when she unboxed hers, and she was like, she looked at this larger particular one and was like, girl, what are you doing? Where are you going? Exactly. I wore my large crystal jacquard kiss lock to the mall, to the airport, and somewhere else. It went a couple places. And my daughter told me, next time you wear the bag, I'm not going with you nowhere, because we can't even walk through the mall. We can't even walk through the airport without you getting stopped. See, she not used to that famous life yet. So I said, okay, well, let me just go ahead and sell it, because she not used to the famous life yet. But honestly, y'all know I'm 4'11" and some change, almost 5 feet on some good days. It was too big for me. But I tried this one on. Sent those. Me and Shonda been talking about this bag for about a month. I think, give or take a couple weeks. About a month. And she ended up getting it, sent me pictures. Oh, when people send me pictures, that entices me even more. I told her, I said, well, you know what? My anniversary is coming up. My husband do have to get me something that I like. And what better way to get a kiss lock? A kiss lock, okay? You're locking in the kiss. See, I always try to make stuff make sense before I bring it. Girl math. This is another part of girl math in the married world. Or if you're dating and you seducing the package to purchase, y'all don't get it. Y'all looking at almost 24 years. I do this. But the kiss lock, okay. Oh, if you get me the kiss lock and it's in the perfect size. Yeah. But, one of my other handbag sisters, we were talking on Instagram. She was looking at the maple kiss lock, the large one. Y'all, first of all, they went up on the price, but hey, neither here or there, because it's just the world we live in. Everything goes up. Some stuff need to come down. But hey, we love the brand. The 27 is what I was telling her. I said, now I have the robe, because yes, y'all, I still have the robe sitting over there in the box. Got to be taken down. I just took it out the box the other day. Look at this picture. Oh, look at this picture. I don't know what side the picture on, but I put my new light citron? My new Twilly on it to see how it looks, and you know, just to make sure that I'm keeping the right bag, because it's got to stay, because it's the 31. Like I told y'all, the Birkin of Coach. Okay, but I told my husband, and he was like, well, are you gonna keep the bag? First of all, sir, all you had to say was, yes, that's a nice bag, or go ahead and get the bag, you know, something like that. Not all them questions in between. For what? But anyway, the Kiss Lock 27. Now this is still stuff now. There's still stuff. But let me show y'all, because y'all know I gotta show my tickety top, people. But yeah, I think this size for me is perfect, because I have to have a Kiss Lock in my collection. Like, how are you collecting handbags, specifically Coach, and you don't have a Kiss Lock? It's black leather, glove tan leather. So to me, the glove tan is just perfection. It's wrap. Y'all look at that. Look, y'all see, y'all know this works perfect for me. Y'all see I'm short? Little petite self. Not super petite, but you know. Look. But look at that. Yep. Perfection. Yeah. It's her. Oh, I gotta show y'all something else. Let me show. Oh. Because see, that's another thing. You like, oh, I'm gonna tell y'all a little tidbit about me. My husband be scrolling on YouTube, looking at something, always about a sneaker or something, or a barbecue. He's always looking at either barbecue or sneakers. And I'm on there looking at somebody's bag to add to my list. I just forward, you know, you take the box with the arrow and stuff, and I just forward it over to him while he's looking at stuff, and he just do this. That's what I do. But let me show you what that got me. Now, if you saw my TikTok, you probably already saw it. But, yes. Oh, my God. Doesn't that say love? Love. Yep. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And look at the eyes. The dazzling brown eyes. The beautiful brown heart with the small dainty C. Perfection. Baby, this thing is sold out. Sold out. And then, you didn't even know what's coming. I didn't. And I'm so happy I got it, because I guess he got tired of hearing the beat. I wish I could get it. I wish I could get it. They been sold out everywhere. It was sold out everywhere. But Vegas had 16, I think you say. See? Kept them cards. See, you don't just keep the cards for you. You keep them for your spouse too. See that rhyme? But this is what I have. Y'all already know they ain't coming all the way out. I got to show my tickety talks, because they're my people too. Some of them ain't on here. Some of them don't believe in YouTube. I don't know why. I'm trying to get them to come over. So, but I'm so excited, y'all. It's perfection. Like, that is the bag for the petite or tall. It don't matter. But I know specifically for me, yes. And then when I put that strap on, y'all saw that picture? Let me put it up again. So I have an event this weekend. I might be wearing this or the robe. I don't know. Got to figure it out. But that is what. Something else sitting back there, but I'm gonna put that on another video. That's a whole nother situation. But I wanted to show y'all the Kiss Lock 27 has been added. Yep. And I'm excited because it is tea. Baby, that glove tan leather is real, okay? Okay. That is that. You ain't got to worry about too much, because you know gloves are tough. So, but thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for commenting, subscribing, sharing, and all the good things. Don't forget to follow me on Tickety Talk if you're on there, and Instagram. And y'all, I have something in the works, and I can't wait to share it with y'all, but it's coming. Some of y'all that's watching already know, and I'll see y'all soon. But until next time,